Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more update. Let's create a stylish fitness poster using custom shapes. Begin with a dark gradient background for intensity. Select the custom shape tool and choose a lighting bolt shape. Place the lighting bolt behind your model image. Change its fill to neon yellow and also add a blur to soften the edge slightly. Insert sharp triangle shapes around the border. Rotate them slightly to Rotate them slightly to create around the border. Add a circle shape behind the headline text. Fill it with a strong red to highlight the title. Insert smaller star shape near the corners for energy. Adjust their opacity for subtle details. Add your fitness slogan in bold.